Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video we are going to discuss about the stock selection for tomorrow and what happened about our previous selection, then how it works that we discussed earlier, and then we go to the stock selection for tomorrow till I don't find out any stocks for tomorrow. And tomorrow is the expiry day, so mostly you should avoid the trading because in options, because all the time value goes became zero. Tomorrow the ATM and OTM options will become zero to tomorrow. So avoid all options trading. Maybe futures, if your broker allows to trade on futures, you may try, or you can try with the next contract. That is what um, September contract you can focus it for. So that first stock which we have selected yesterday is about Hindustan Unilever. So here I want to say you one of them who made a profit on that. He shared the screenshot and he was selling that around 2258 in futures, and he booked somewhere around 12 rupees on that in Hindustan Unilever. So he uh, did go trade on that, but we will check it out whether it is a trade which is happened as per our expectation on that particular thing, which we discuss on that. So this is what where it is started below. First thing, the stock is started below our entry point, so that you have to check it out in 5-minute chart. That may be a profitable trade, but it started below our entry point. So it the first candle itself, it made a low of 2579. So if you are going to take the trade around 2579, it fall down towards 2561, so almost 19 points profit. So after before opening, if it is breaks our entry point in the first 5 minutes itself, you have to focus for the next 5 minutes candle should break the first 5 minutes candle low. So then that should be the valid entry for a trade. Even if you are going to take the trade around 2579 and it went down to 2561, almost near about 18-19 points, so that was good for intraday trade. And if you are taking it out, that is generative as an intraday profit. But if you are daily checking out, it's based on we are selecting that was a shooting star, that was works well, but still there is a stop loss for 2630, and we are waiting for a positional trade. That positional trade, we keep the stop loss around 2630, and the stop loss is around 2630, and the entry point is around 2585. Now it made a low for intraday, it gives you some good opportunity, and he booked a profit. Congratulations, because you are following my channel, thanks for that first, and you made some profit and daily sharing your profit screen. So thank you for following me and watching my YouTube channel. And if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And whatever the other stocks we are talking about, Dalmia Bharat, that we have checked down yesterday. So that was not triggering your entry point. So our entry point is for the Dalmia Bharat is buy based on the hammer, right? So hammer candle, we are expecting the bullish about 1573, right? So the 1573 is our entry point, and our stop loss is 1522. That was our stop loss. But what happened? It never give you entry. There is no entry on that particular stock. But let's look at this. Today candle is a hanging man candle. The candle is a hanging man candle. Another confirmation, if the stock breaks this level of 1573, there is a good chances to reverse from the bottom after the 2 days down, the big down. So there is a two candle confirmations. So one is inside bar, so compared to previous candle inside bar, and also a hanging man happening on that particular stock, Dalmia Bharat. It's not for an intraday trade, but if you got a profit in intraday, you can exit out. But it is a positional idea where it is broke this level of 1573 will be good, and you can keep the stop loss of say 1522 would be the best opportunity for a coming days in this particular stock. Just look at and note it down this stock. It may give you some profit around 1640 level. We can expect from this 50% recovery. So there is a good opportunity with the 50 rupees risk. We may be having the chances to get a 100 rupees profit also. So that is what another stock. But today it not given you entry, and it was having such a great opportunity to take. If it is continues the trend, there is a good opportunity at a 1573. And third stock which we are talking about, IBUL Housing Finance. IBUL Housing Finance. Oh great. Oh my god. Great move on Indiabull Housing Finance because of the hammer. Let's look at 129 and 122, 7 rupees. Almost it moves up to 135. So today itself it moves 5 point something. It moved up because of this hammer candle. If anyone who traded, congratulations for you. So because that entry, but why we avoided this trade? Because of big stop loss 129.7, 122 nearby 7 rupees risk. But even though it has broken that level and it was giving you such a great move on Indiabull Housing Finance, that is the power of that hammer candle which is giving you such a great opportunity where we are finding out from the stocks, right? So that is about our yesterday's stocks, and let me go to find out the stocks for tomorrow. Let's look at this. The perfect move from hammer. Great. Okay. So let me open our charting dashboard to find out the stocks for tomorrow. Let me go to check it out. What are the stocks if it is an availability? There is no stocks again because of due to expiry. Most of the stocks not moving well. And today I seen the RBL Bank is very huge move. And a lot of people are talking about, sir, we taken a position earlier, but we don't hold it. So there is a another importance about RBL Bank. I tell you about that a 3-bar reversal, how it is more powerful. Here is the one 3-bar reversal in RBL Bank. Another one is a 3-bar reversal. Those who attend my 3-bar reversal class, this candle which engulfs previous 2 bars having more potential entry at this point. Maybe we don't know this much of movement, but we can expect this much of movement, what the risk and reward. But it was huge today, but it is giving you some clue about a 3-bar reversal. That is what happening at a highest level, and it is reversing. For the first one is a selling reversal, and second one is a buying reversal. Both is happening at the same time in consecutive 2 days, but it is broken that level. And look at this move, it's a very nice move, and someone who traded on that, so he made some good profit, no problem. Thank you for following that. And he was calling me and updating me. I did RBL on September contract, so that was a great move. We have already taken a positional trade around 95 call option we took, and we booked a good profit that we already updated. But now it's an unexpected move on RBL Bank. Great. So as per the stock selection, we didn't get any stocks for our Doji Hammer Shooting Star on highest level because the calendar month is going to end within a 6 days, but expiry is tomorrow. Let me go for our scanner which we have making for a Shooting Star. And number 3, we didn't get any Shooting Star now. And let me go for a number 2. Is there any Shooting Star for tomorrow? ITC. And also we talk about LTI also, right? Recently we talk about LTI. I think this Shooting Star worked well, and this was not any find out HI. Here we are seeing a Shooting Star that was worked well, no problem. That is no entry maybe. And we ITC Dr. Lal Path Lab again, third times we are focusing Lal Path Lab. Again a Shooting Star. Yesterday maybe a doji, but not happening at highest level. And previously we marked the doji, and still it is struggling on the same level. We try to focus this one at this particular point. If it breaks down below, we will expect sell tomorrow, and we keep this as a stop loss or this as a stop. So it's a good one because of after the big rally, so we find out a Shooting Star candle in Dr. Lal Path Lab. So let me wait for the Lal Path Lab tomorrow. And the entry point for the Lal Path Lab is 2471 and 2526 is the stop loss. The high is the stop and the low is the entry point. The second stock is ITC. After a long time, ITC. Let me check it out. ITC. Yeah, looks good. On the top level, it got rejected. So it's another good opportunity to make ITC around 314 is the reversal. 314 and 319 is where 9.5 is your stop. Almost 5.5 is your risk for the trade. So if it is breaks below 314, we can go for a sale opportunity and we keep the stop loss of 319.5. So another good opportunity present in ITC that was working good. This is for a selling opportunity. Lal Path Lab and ITC, we are focusing for a selling opportunity tomorrow, and we'll go for a buying opportunity if any stock which forms a hammer today. I got three stocks which forms a hammer: SBI Life, Nestle, Berger Paint. Let me go for a SBI Life. Sorry, SBI Life, right? SBI Life Insurance, hammer. Yesterday also looks like a doji not moved well after 2 days correction. So we are expecting the reversal from that particular stock. Maybe should hammer at bottom. That was 1289 and 1272. If it is breaks above this level, we can go for a buy with the stop loss below the level. We can use for SBI Life also looks good. Let me try it out tomorrow. And in Nestle, I'm not going to trade because of the price as well as liquidity. So Berger Paint, let me go for a Berger Paint. When in Berger Paint, perfect. It will also be a perfect stock where it is forms at the lowest level after the correction from the 708, it coming down to 650 level. After 4 days, it corrected big. So that is a good opportunity where we can find out Berger Paint. It's about 661.75 is our high top entry. So we can expect with the stop loss below 650. That is what Berger Paint. So that's also looks good, and previously the price rejected. Again today the bottom price rejected. We may be expecting the upside move on that particular stock. That is also looks good, and we'll go for a last one. Nestle, I'm not going to take a Nestle, and I'm going to change it out to number 2, even Ramco Cement, SBI Life, Tech Mahindra, Adani Port, Tower. These are the stock. I'm not going to focus for a Ramco Cement, but it was a positional trade. Let me go for a check Ramco Cement. The hammer, yes, but it is a middle. Not convinced about this hammer. Let me leave it and take him and Adani Port Tower. Take him, Adani Port Tower. Yeah, the 2 days hammer. So for a previously shooting star, after forming a shooting star fallen down, and yesterday is a hammer, and today also be a hammer. So looks good. There is a price rejection at this bottom. So this was looking good in SGL Tech Mahindra. Around 1073 is the buy opportunity, and we keep the stop loss nearby 1055. That is what another 2 days hammer. There is a breakout maybe possible on the stock. So it looks good. The stock, so we can focus for a tomorrow's trade. Tech Mahindra by hammer by number 2, Adani Port on Dabur. Let's go for Adani Port. Adani Ports looks previous days a big rejection on that particular stock. Trade from a hammer. Don't go for it, because if it is breaks above this level and below this level, then only we get a confirmation, because both the sides the price got rejected. The high like a high wave candle. We don't want to trade once it is crossed above or crossed below. We can focus it for, so it's not good for our trading. And finally Dabur India, let me go for a Dabur. Yeah, looks good. This uptrend, already in uptrend, we can expect higher. So this is what looking good, where we can take a entry around 588 is a buy opportunity. There is a breakout. The stop loss for the trade is 579. So this is not a risk for the trade. You can focus it for tomorrow. What is giving you opportunity, you can go for a trade on that particular stock. I hope I'm taking a lot of time from you. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. If you liked it, you can share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.